there's a car that isn't just a machine, it's a piece of history. A car that shaped pop culture, inspired generations, and carried the spirit of freedom across decades. Yes, we're talking about the one and only Volkswagen Beetle. Welcome back to 91 Gearbox, where we explore the legends of the automotive world. Today, we dive deep into the car that changed the way the world saw automobiles, the Volkswagen Beetle. The story of the Beetle starts way back in the 1930s, when Ferdinand Porsche designed it with one simple idea: to create a people's car. It had to be affordable, reliable, and built for everyone. And what came out of that vision became one of the most recognizable silhouettes in automotive history. Its rounded body, curvy fenders, and friendly face made it instantly iconic. This wasn't a car that tried to look powerful or aggressive. It looked friendly, approachable, and timeless. Through the decades, the Beetle became much more than transportation. It became a movement. From post-war Europe to the streets of California, it symbolized simplicity, freedom, and rebellion against excess. The Beetle wasn't about luxury, it was about life. Students, artists, and dreamers embraced it because it represented something real, something human. Under the hood, the original Beetle came with a rear-mounted, air-cooled, flat-4 engine. It didn't have mind-blowing power, but what it did have was reliability. This little engine could run for years, surviving heat, cold, and rough roads. Mechanics loved it for its simplicity, and owners loved it because it just wouldn't quit. As time passed, the Beetle evolved. From the classic models of the 50s and 60s to the new Beetle in the late 90s and the modern version that rolled out in the 2010s, Volkswagen kept the soul alive while giving it new life. The modern Beetle featured updated technology, turbocharged engines, and sleek design, but it never lost that original charm. Even after Volkswagen ended its production in 2019, the Beetle's legacy didn't fade. You can still spot them on roads, in movies, and at classic car shows, drawing smiles from anyone who sees them. The Beetle reminds us that cars aren't just metal and rubber. They're memories, emotions, and stories. The Volkswagen Beetle is proof that you don't need horsepower to have heart. You just need character, and this little car had it in abundance. This was more than a vehicle. It was a companion for millions, and it'll forever remain a timeless icon. This is 91 Gearbox, where passion drives every story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the most legendary cars ever made.